Welcome to this month's newsletter. Today is April 30th. Looking at the Nifty, strong, powerful rally up here. Um, we are into the Kumo at this point on the daily charts. Let's look at the weekly. Here's the problem though. The weekly is now going to bump against the flat Kijun, which is going to provide resistance. So I would expect either a reversal or at least some consolidation at this point. If I have profits, I should definitely take some off the table here because of this flat Kijun. So keep that in mind for those who bought, who did buy calls down here or bought some stocks. Uh, this would be a good time to at least take some partial profits. Let's see, SAIL, Steel Authority of India. Also the same thing going inside the Kumo. You look at the weekly charts, and there is a chance here that it could try to hit the weekly Kijun around 36, while the Chicago tries to go up here. Even though it's below the candles, there is still some space for a good play. So only for the aggressive players, this one would you can buy it here and definitely take profits off the table around 30, just before 36. Coming off a nice inverter hammer and a good bullish move. Again, this is only for aggressive traders. Normally, I would never recommend buying below the cloud, but you're not going to find too many examples right now of this kind of example where they have a nice Chicago breakout above the cloud. LNT, I would definitely not be wanting to buy this one at this point. It's still below the weekly Tenkan and below the Kijun. It is setting up in a small flag formation. If they break it down below, then that would be a nice short. Break it up, then again it could be an aggressive trade if you want to buy long for a profit target near the weekly Kijun. Daily doesn't look that appealing either. And Infosys, I would, if I have profits in Infosys, I would definitely want to take off the table, at least a major portion of it. Keep in mind, weekly Chicago going to bump into these candles here, and the stock is going to hit this flat Senkow B. Also keep in mind that you have a flat Kijun, going to attract prices back to itself. So I would definitely take some profits off the table in Infosys. And I believe the same holds for TCS. Looking at the weekly charts here, you're bumping against the cloud, and at this point your lows are fixed and your highs are also going to be fixed, so your weekly Kijun is going to go flat here. I would definitely take profits off the table even on TCS. And ICICI Bank, this is looking at the daily chart, going up in a channel. Let's look at the weekly, see if it has any more play. We're bumping against the Tenkan. I would not be trading this stock at this point. And Reliance, I would definitely want to take profits here. Notice how far it's stretched from the Kijun on the daily charts, and also you have a Kumo shadow now where you're facing resistance. If you look at the weekly, let's look at that. Weekly, Chicago bumping into all this resistance area. So if I have profits in Reliance, I would definitely take them off the table. That will be it.